Let us start with the extra problem. The problem statement suggests that point P of straight line PQ is 25 mm above HP, but its position is clearly not mentioned. Just one reference is there, it is above HP. So we are able to get the elevation of point P. For point Q, the data is available. Q is 65 mm in front of VP. In any of the cases, the 65 mm in front of VP is going to be presented as Q plan, which is going to be below reference. वो reference से नीचे ही मिलेगा. So we'll be finding this one over here below reference XY point Q. Point P यहीं पे मिलेगा और point Q यहीं पे मिलेगा 65 पे. ठीक है. Point P और यहाँ पे point Q. The line makes an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal plane and 45 and its plan length is making 45 degrees. Beta is 45 degrees. Draw the projection of line if the plan length PL is 70 mm. Also find the true length of line and the angle made by line with vertical plane. So let us start drafting this problem. Okay, so I'll be first drafting a reference line XY. Okay, XY reference is there. Point P is 25 mm above HP. So let me take a 25 mm point position over here. Let us mention it as point P dash and extend a line over here because we are not aware what is the P. Make a locus of P dash. Distance is 25 from the 25 mm above HP. इसे बोलेंगे locus of P dash. Distance है 25 units, 25 mm. And for Q it is mentioned that it is 65 mm in front of VP. There are two possibilities. The point can be in first quadrant or it can be in fourth quadrant for in front of VP formation. So I'm just drafting its locus as a reference. This is locus of Q. In any case, it is going to be Q only. Now we do have one more information, which is the true the plan length is at 45 degrees and it is having length of 70 units. Plan length it is at 45 degrees. So if I draft 45 degrees like this, then also from other angle it is going to be 45 degrees. तो यहाँ अगर 45 है तो यहाँ भी 45 एंगल हो जाएगा. तो हम इस लाइन को कंसीडर करके आगे बढ़ते हैं. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ रेफरेंस 45 डिग्रीज ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे मैं एक 45 डिग्रीज का प्लेसमेंट लेता हूँ. नाउ आई हैव टू drag it in such manner that the length from the P, this P dash P line should go for 70 units over here. So we are having two possibilities. I can drag the roller scale to get 45 units over here. Just see, 70 mm should be the length. So I'll be referring it like this. So by matching this point and moving ahead for 70 mm over here, I am getting the position of P. So this angle is 45 degrees. Okay, so over here if I extend the reference. Here I am also going to get 45 degrees. This point is going to be Q, and this length is going to be 70 units, which is plan length. अब प्लान लेंथ से प्रोजेक्शन ट्रांसफर होता है by arc and a straight line. So I'll be framing an arc first up to same view first, same view second point, and then I'll be dragging a straight vertical line, and this is a straight vertical line. Now other data which is available is suggesting that its true length is making an angle of 30 degrees with horizontal plane. So I'll be placing it over here, considering 30 degrees of angle, drafting a line at 30 degrees. It is going to intersect over here, which is going to be called Q1 dash. So this is the true length, and true length angle with horizontal plane is 30 degrees. This is available in data. The intersection position is going to give us a locus of Q dash, and on locus of Q dash we are going to get the Q dash also. So this is going to be locus of P, and now we got the true length. Let us measure it. It is about 79 mm. True length is 79 mm. Okay, now we can have the true length transferred in plan also. So I'm transferring this true length in plan. This point is going to be called Q1. Now let me transfer its projection from here. We'll be framing a straight line up to this point, and then we'll be framing an arc. Okay, so this point is going to be called Q dash. Now when I join this one PQ1, it is true length presented in plan. If I measure its angle, it is going to be 38 degrees. Phi is 38. And if I join this one, it is elevation length. You can measure elevation length also. It is 63 units, 63 mm. Okay, so we had got the whole solution. Try to practice it and try to identify the other parameters. And if you want to verify, then you can just place a straight line. If Q and Q dash comes in a single straight line, then the solution is true. Okay, and this distance is going to be called end projector distance. You can measure it and you can have other details. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.